third quarter tayo. Let's go. Gets a 3. No good. What a pass. And score.
Wala kasi katulog.
Shoutout sa ating mga kasama dito sa sports. Nandiyan sila Sir Ronald Sakyan and Coach Nino Mauricio. Harold 4-3. Yes sir. 3-point by Harold Vargas. Pull up jumper, no good. Rebound by number 6. That pass para kay Harold. Harold, uy. Paso pala yun. Pass number 9 with a finger roll. No, rebound by Harold. Basket by Harold Vargas. Lupit naman talaga ni Harold. Ating OG from Rivera, Barangay Rivera. Ay na, number 5. Boom! Nakasagot ang team ni Consular Don Aliado. 48-35. Bautista. Top of the key. 4-3 short. Ayan na, number 6. Number 6, pull up jumper, no. Rebound by number 5. Pass number 18. Spin move. Uy! There's a foul. Yeah, shooting the line, jersey number 18. First shot, no good. Second shot, okay. Harold, basket para kay Harold. That's Harold Vargas. Steal. Ayan na, pass number 9. Oh, gets a foul. spin and score. 52-35 in favor of our Vice Mayor, Attorney Angelo Alcavila team. Number 15, floater, no. Out at pass. Number 8 and score. 54-35.
Wala lang.
Ayan na. Push. Charlie Marquez, pass number 5 for 3. Yes, sir. Side.
Kung gano'n, no, 4. Pwede. Oo, laban yan.
Number 9, spin move. Oy. Marceno. Time out.
Lahat marunong dito.
Kim, coach.
Kaya nga eh.
Don Aliado.
Dalawa, tatlo lang. Dalawa lang ata bang
Remaining 5. Remaining time, 4 minutes and 42 seconds. Okay, back to the ball game. Ayan, pinasok na ulit si Coach Rodriguez. Number 14, walang tawag ang ating referee doon. Ayun na, behind the back, Rodriguez with a layup, no good. Number 4 with a putback. 60-38. Oy, what a nice pass to jersey number 2. Babalik, baba sa 20 ang kalamangan ng team ng nating Vice Mayor, Attorney Angelo Alcavila. Rodriguez, pass to Vargas. Dizon, catch and shoot. Basket para kay Dizon. 62-40, balik sa 22 ang lamang ng mga naka-blue. Pass number 5, 4-3, no. Rebound by number 4, pass number 7. Rodriguez, pass number 4, kick out. Harold, 4-3, no good. And out of bounds. Last touch. Coach Charlie, pass number 15. Pinasa kay number 6, fade away shot, no. Rebound by number 16. Out that pass. Rodriguez. Pass number 22. Harold. Uy. That's a traveling violation. Time remaining 2 minutes and 32 seconds. Ayan na. Pinasa corner. Coach Charlie, uy, ganda naman ang pasa noon. By jersey number 2, galing ang pasa yun kay Coach Charlie Marquez. Rodriguez, pass to number 4. Ayan na, sumalaksak. Uy! Minama na ni number 4 ang pain. 64-42, 22-point lead para sa team ni Vice Mayor Attorney Angelo Alcavila. Ay na, stop and pump. Jersey number 14. Ay na si Rodriguez. Rodriguez, pass number 16. Nakalusot na naman si Dizon. Ay na. Uy! Uy! malusot si number 2. Here comes Rodriguez. Rodriguez with the cross. Pinas sa corner. Harold wala. Rebound by number 2. Number 2. Pass number 15. Number 15. Nagmamadali. Ayun na. Akin na to. May si number 15. 48-66. Lamang pa rin ang team ni Vice Mayor. Drop pass, Dizon. Basket yan. Marquez. Uy, wala. Here comes number 14. Number 14, fake. Uy, ganda naman ang pag-spin doon. Baba na lamang sa 18. 50-68. Harold to Rodriguez. Rodriguez for 3. Wala. Rebound. Ayun na, number 15. Nagmamadali. Pass number 15. Number 15, dire-derecho. Uy, what a pass. Number 3. Wala. Offensive rebound. Wala pa rin. Isa pa. Wala pa rin. Another shot. Uy, wala pa rin. Uy! Wala umuha. Napagod na. Okay. And that's the end of our third quarter. Vicious score 68-50. In favor of the team ni Vice Mayor Atty. Angelo Cawili. Ayan, shoutout tayo kay Jano Angeles. And syempre, shoutout mo tayo sa mga kasama natin dito yung Prop Sports. Hey! Rep. Okay, a fourth quarter tayo. Let's go! 18-point lead para sa team ni Vice Mayor Atty. Angelo Cawili. So, fourth quarter. Bola rito ng team ni Consular Don Aliado. Number 1, drop pass. Uy, last touch. Blue ball. Number 3. Pass number 8, pass number 6. Uy, wala. Saved by Dino. Dino with a cross. Dino. Uy, dribble. Pass number 8. Number 8. Half step. Tomira. Wala. Rebound by number 8. Dino. Tomira. Wala. Rebound. Number 5. That pass. Number 1. Uy! Rebound by Dino. Here comes Dino. Bounce pass. No look pass. Uy! Dino. Pinasa. 3 seconds. Violation. Inside. Stop and pump. Bam! 68-52. Ayun na, outlet pass, number 15, out of bounds. $16-point lead para sa mga naka-blue. Number 15. Pass number 5, stop and pump, bang! 68-52 for Dino. Pass number 15. Number 15. Wala. Pass to Dino. Back to number 16. Dizon. Basket para kay Dizon. 70-54. 5, spin move. Oy. And that's a traveling. 2 shots. That's Saida, jersey number 5 from team Considon Aliado. Remaining time 7 minutes and 21 seconds. That is good. Second shot. Number 8 or number 5. Wala. Tibaw ng mga naka-blue. Here comes number 8. Alley-oop. Dino, catch and shoot. No. Number 6. Uy, basket. Up and under. Out of bounds. Number 6, basket. 6 minutes and 14 seconds. Second shot. 74-55. Larito, fake. Uy, ganda naman ang pagkakatira doon at pagkakapeke ni Clarito. Number 15, high pick up. What a nice layup by jersey number 15. The guy. Uy, reverse layup. Basket is good. Number 8, what a pass to Dino, and there's a foul. 2 shots para kay Dino. Remaining time, 5 minutes and 17 seconds. Ah, pre. Pasok ka pa! Ayan! Layo-layo pa. Uy! Oh! Legal screen by jersey number 1. Rodriguez, pass to Vargas. Rasa from elbow 3, wala. Rebound. Number 2. Ooh. Pass number 18. Ooh. That's a foul. Uy, guess a foul. Rodriguez, 4-3, no. Pass number 18. What a pass number 1. points. 3 points ba? Official score po natin is 80-61. Or sa ating official, pull up jumper. No. Uy! Outlet pass. Rodriguez. No good. What a drop pass. Number 8. And score. There's the ball. Number 10 coming in. Number 3. What a pass to Dino. Wala pa rin. Out of bounds. Last touch. Same ball. Remaining time. Last 2 minutes. Kick out. Number 3 for 3. Yes, sir. Ayan na, wala na tayo sa 2 minuto. Number 14, stop and pump. No, rebound. Uy, wala pa rin. Uy, Blanca. Dino, drop pass. Pass to Rodriguez behind the back. Steal by Betsaida. 4-3, short. Rodriguez, inuubos na lang ang oras. Pass number 3 and score. Last 1 minute. Oh, wala pa rin. Number 15, wala pa rin. Baginto. Rodriguez, pass to Harold. Eh, syempre, hindi bibigay niya ng pasang yan. Coming from Rodriguez. 89-61. Pull up jumper and score. Dino. No good. Last 7 seconds. 4, 3, and score. 2 and 1. At dito na po nagtatapos ang ating laban. Our final score, 89-65. Panalo po ang Team Vice Mayor Attorney Angelo Agcawili. And a nice game para sa team ni Consular Don Aliado. Alright, maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood at magkita-kita po tayo for our next live. Hanggang sa muli. And good night, everyone. This is your San Juan City employee, Olympic 2025 para sa ating makabagong San Juan. Thank you sa panonood.